All right, so today, upper body day again. I tried to get back into it after kind of light week, um, last week. Um, so yeah, I did a lot of body weight stuff. I did 3 sets of 10 of push-ups. I did 3 sets of 10 of squats. It was kind of full body day, not really an upper body day. I tried to focus more on the upper body stuff, but yeah. So 3 sets of 10 of push-ups, 3 sets of 10 of squats. I did 3 sets of 10 of these kind of like wall things. Basically, you have, you're on a wall and you're like, again, doing some protraction push-ups, but you're adding in some tapping and sliding too. It's pretty cool. And then I did some chin-ups, or not chin-up, yeah, chin-ups, pull-ups, chin-ups, whatever, same general idea. But just did 3 sets of 5 of those. But today I was going to talk about the main way that we kind of deal with adaptations for resistance training. So like the main way they happen. And that's going to be through our Protein Magic mTOR, which is going to be our main kind of anabolic protein stimulant, whatever you want to call it, that helps us increase our protein synthesis. So as the main signaler for this is going to be our muscles. So the muscles kind of act as force transductors. So as the muscles kind of detect or take on more force, our body's gonna be like, whoa, we need more because this is just not cutting it anymore, or we're having to work way harder. We don't want to be working this hard. So let's try to make this easier on ourselves. So that's when you see, obviously, you're lifting more weight. You're going to see the protein synthesis be more versus if you're lifting the same weight over and over again. And that goes back to staying in homeostasis versus kind of pushing yourself out of it. Specificity does matter though. You're going to have kind of drastic different effects versus someone who's training 1 rep max or like super heavy, 1 to 2 rep pulls, rest 2-3 minutes versus someone who's going 10 to 12 reps, like 30 seconds rest in between. And it's actually really cool because you can see benefits with like supra maximal training, so training higher than you usually would. Still kind of a bro sciencey type deal, like training with chains, and like bands and stuff, just because you're making the harder part of the lift like a little easier. So you're telling your Golgi tendons specifically, like, hey, chill out, we can handle this, just like give us some time. And the specific thing that mTOR is going to be involved in is that myofibril protein synthesis. We're going to see an uptick in that, specifically, the myosin actin. We're going to see a lot more production of those.